ഓം ശ്രീമാത്രേ നമഃ. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panjangam 27th Painguni Masam, that is Meena Masam, 10th April 2026, Friday, Vishwasunama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Shishira Rudo, Painguni Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 8:59 p.m. Ashtami, then Navami, Bhriguvasaram, Nakshatram up to 9:30 a.m. Pooradam, then Uttradam. Today's Rahugalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. and 5 to 6 p.m. Sunrise at 6:09 a.m. Chandrashtamam up to 3:58 p.m. Vrishabha Rashi, then Midhuna Rashi. Today's Prayashchittam Jangari, Sradha Tithi, Ashtami. Om Sri Matre Namaha.